In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save or forget window positions upon exiting out of the GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top and then go down and select Preferences. On the left side underneath Interface, select Window Management. And then on the right side where it says Save Window Positions on Exit, go ahead and either check mark or uncheck that depending on your preference, and then select OK to save it. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.